What's going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I just want to go over my workout area, and I want to share with you guys just how easy it is to make one for yourself. You don't need many things, as you'll see here, and it just needs a little bit of space. That's basically the first step. The next one is some hard work. Alright, so first up here we have the two chairs. These can just be simple chairs if you got around the house, or for myself, I stole them from the dinner table here. So I use these for like tricep dips, as well as leg extensions, and just ways to work on the core on that one. So super simple but effective. There's a lot of the ways you can spin two chairs off just to help with movements as well. Coming back over here to the table, I've got this is a light resistance band. I think this is, I can't remember what the resistance exactly is, but it's the stage one, the lightest one. I use this to warm up and also just to work on just getting more rotations in to get the shoulders moving for a warm up before I stress them out with some calisthenics movements. Next up, I've got my parallettes here. So if you've seen the channel, you know how much I like using these, and they're a lot easier on the wrists so that you're not having to stress out them as often, so less wrist fatigue. Picking up a couple of these is definitely recommended. I think they were the very first things that I picked up, and I've been loving them ever since. So these ones are a bit longer too. These ones, if you can see how actually long they are, I like these ones. They're very stable, and you can do a range of movements with them as you progress in your calisthenics journey. Next up, what I'm on right now is gonna be just a simple yoga mat. I use this to stretch and to do abs, so that way I'm not on the bare floor. A little bit more comfortable, especially if you're gonna be on your knees doing some ab workouts or raises or anything like that. It goes a long way to help protect that. So yeah, the mat here. And then next up is gonna be this wall, the wall space. You might not see it as equipment, but it technically is. It's a space where I do all of my handstands, and this is gonna be the wall of, I guess, triumph. And I'm excited to see how far I can take things. So a bare wall is needed. And what else here? Oh, yes. So I'm gonna switch hands because this camera's getting heavy. Under here, I've got my 35 pound weight vest. I just bought this, and it is absolutely killer on how much more work it requires to do even just things like simple push-ups, and how much more resistance it adds. So hoping to train with that to help build more muscle as well. And I guess another thing right here, chairs, or this chair specifically, I'll rest my feet right up here. And if you've seen a few of my other videos, you'll know how I do it. I just kind of decline myself. I guess they would call it, some call it incline, some call it decline, but it's where you just angle yourself down to put more of the weight on your upper chest and your shoulders, and it ends up making things much more strenuous to help build muscle there. So again, arms of the chairs is a good way to help position yourself better. You can do decline push-ups, pike push-ups, anything like that helps raise your feet, take yourself at more of an angle going down there. So you could use tables like this, like a little coffee table, but I think it's gonna be a little bit harder and it'll hurt your feet more. That's why I go something that's a little bit padded. So I'll use something with the arm of a chair. So here's a quick tip. I actually was watching one of Chris Harria's calisthenics videos on training forearms, and these right here come with two little elastics. I'm sure you can use any kind of elastics, but these are the ones I think he was using. You can actually put these on your fingertips, like so. I guess he gets all of them in there. Or you get them all on your fingertips, and just going like this, like that's a workout. This is one that he was telling you to do for extra forearm and finger strength. And even just holding it, like doing 10 reps of this just keeps the forearms on fire. So I'm not throwing those elastics out. Don't throw yours out if you've got some. 10 to 20 reps on each arm of this is gonna help grow those forearms and finger strength. So, which was it was a cool little tip that he did show on a video of his. And I'll even show you guys one more. He was showing how to also use your kitchen countertop right here as a way to help grow your forearms. And basically, if you position your fingers on top, right where the fingers start on the edge, like so, and you keep your thumbs kind of resting on the front part. And then what you wanna do is you wanna lean on a incline, and you're just gonna use your hands to push you up, like this. Now don't use any of your arms. It's like just rotating the fingers. Or again, I don't know what this part of the hand is, but just using this and rotating this front, forward, and back. Same idea. It's crazy what you can find around the house just to get a simple exercise in. So, you're just doing this. The forearms they're already on fire. It's crazy. Again, doing those little things helps build the forearm strength and the grip strength and the wrist strength, and all of those are simple but effective things that you need to help with all of those calisthenics poses that I know you guys all want to achieve. So right now, that's basically it. I was thinking about maybe getting an ab roller, but there's so many movements I'm doing right now that are requiring so much ab exercises and ab strength, so I don't think I'll even need to grab one of those. Everything else is just basically what you see here. Yeah, the elastic band for warming up, the mat for abs and some stretching and all that, then the wall, the set of parallettes here, and some furniture there, and then also some chairs. So you don't really need much. A lot of this movement is just consistency, hard work, and this is just gonna be, again, in the main living room of where I live. Yeah, anywhere where you got some space. Again, you can just start off with a wall, some parallettes, or just your hands, and again, it's all up to you and how far you wanna go. So anyways, this is just what I'm starting off with. Thought I'd share with you guys, and hopefully it inspires you to carry on with your calisthenics journey. And why don't you check out a couple other videos on the channel here. I think this is another one that you might enjoy. You know, maybe subscribe if you'd be interested in learning more. And without further ado, I'll see all of you in the next video.